This animation explores the accumulation of phosphorus in the 0 to 10 cm soil layer of 9,500 paddocks in southwest Western Australia. Each paddock soil test result is converted to a fertility index, which is the paddock soil test phosphorus value divided by the critical value. The fertility index is symbolised by colour and height, with the paddock shape extruded upwards from the ground so that height represents the index value. Values below 1 indicate phosphorus deficiency, while 1 is optimal, and values above 1 indicate that phosphorus is accumulated in the soil beyond the requirement of pastures. Around 3/4 of all paddocks in the high rainfall zone in southwest Western Australia now contain more phosphorus than is required to support maximum pasture growth. That is, they have a fertility index greater than 1. Pasture paddocks on average contain 1.6 times as much phosphorus than is needed to support maximum pasture growth. Phosphorus has accumulated beyond pasture requirements, partly because these pasture-based agricultural systems have a positive phosphorus balance. That is, more phosphorus is applied to the paddock than is exported in product and is lost to the environment. A positive phosphorus balance over a number of years leads to phosphorus accumulation. Accumulated soil phosphorus is often known as legacy phosphorus. A soil containing more phosphorus than is needed increases the risk that phosphorus will be lost off-site, contributing to the risk of poor water quality and algal blooms in waterways.